LexisNexis has just launched a brand new app, Lexis Red. This app allows you to have access to our legal content within your fingertips by way of electronic devices. It is portable, efficient, and you can customize it according to the needs of your case or your transactions. When you do your reading on our app, you can browse and search within it so that it's easier for you to navigate. First, you pick a title. On the left-hand side, you find the table of content. You can pick and choose which part you want to read. By tapping like this, you can read, for example, Order 1 to Order 3 right there. Now tap on Order 1B. On the right, you'll find the content of Order 1B. For a better reading experience, tap on this icon. We suggest you'll be able to read that full screen. Easier for you to read, right? Now, you can also make a search about it. By tapping on the same icon, this bar, tap on it, and search anything. For example, security, and make a search about it. Now you can find there's a match of results automatically shown on the left-hand panel. The number shows the number of results that match. For example, this one, by tapping on that, you can find the match of results automatically highlighted for you already. When you scroll down, you can find other match of results. Apart from browsing the content, you can also browse your own notes. Now, by simply tapping on this one, now you can find all the highlights, notes, and tags that you've made in relation to this title. Now you can see everything is in one place. Now you can also filter by highlights only. You can also filter by notes only. Of course, if you click all, then you can see everything. Now you can also filter by tags. For example, if I unselect everything and just choose the text that's actually relevant, like this one, I can find the relevant highlight, so on and so forth. So this is how you browse and filter on Lexis Red. But these are just the annotations for one title. What if I say, I want to find all my annotations that I've made across all titles on Lexis Red? How do I do it? So go back to Home tab, you find this tab, tap on this one. You can find all titles here. This one is on litigation, this one is on IP. So that all notes across all titles are done in one place, easier for you to navigate. Now you can also filter by tag, like this one is the relevant highlight, so on and so forth, just like how you filtered previously. Now apart from that, you can also filter by highlights only and notes only. It's exactly the same. Now apart from browsing and filter, you can also search as well. You can search your own notes. Now you can tap on the bar on the left hand side, this one, tap on that, and type whatever you want, like share for example. And you can find the share is actually the notes instead of the content. This is how you search your own notes.